Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ankita and Kunj World, and my name is Kunj World and I am 10 years old, and today we are going to do an experiment. An experiment name is lava lamp. So for that we need a empty bowl, a transparent glass, food coloring, vinegar, baking soda, and any oil you want. I am using a vegetable oil. So first of all, we need to pour the vinegar in the small bowl. And next, we need to pour the food coloring in a bowl filled up with vinegar. Mix it well with the help of spoon. And now it's done. And take the baking soda and pour it in a transparent glass. Vegetable oil or any oil, put it inside a transparent glass. Now I am going to pour this colorful water into the glass. Friends, the reaction will be slow, so watch the whole video till the end, and you can try this experiment at the home also. Ready in 3, 2. Can you observe slowly the bubbles are coming at the top, the surface, and the reaction is so cool. Bubbles are coming fast. Reaction is happening super fast now, and it's like it's observing everything, and now it looking like a volcano in the water. Hey, it's pretty. The heat is also coming. Now it's going down. It's so good. was coming slowly, and now you can see it's coming super fast. So many bubbles, like thousands of bubbles. Mommy, it's looking very pretty. Let's keep going. If you have looked closely, sparkles were coming. This is our lava lamp and our experiment got succeed. And that's for it today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.